This is presented by Sky English. In this video, you're going to learn about how to organize your ideas for the writing. To organize your ideas, what do you need? You don't need to worry about grammar and spelling. You don't need to worry about writing full sentences. You can write in single words, phrases, or even draw pictures to organize your ideas. It is not necessary to write down in order. So why do we organize ideas? This is because writing things down can obtain new ideas. It is easy because you can even write what you don't know. Let me explain what you can do. You can divide what you know and what you don't know in such a way. Here's an example. What you know is Cinderella is a Walt Disney animated film. Her stepsisters hate her. What you don't know is why the stepsisters hate her. Look at my next example. What you know is Cinderella lives with her stepmother. What you don't know is why does she live with her stepmother? These questions are helpful for doing further research for your writing. Here's a tip or reminder. If you write down your ideas, you cannot forget them. You can also organize your ideas from disorder to order. When you jot down the ideas, they are scattered, so organized by heading as it is shown. Look at this example. A writer planning an article about a holiday part-time job at overseas. The ideas are organized by three headings: reasons to work abroad, types of work available, and practical issues. For reasons to work abroad, to get the chance for traveling to see life in reality, to earn money, to make new friends, please have a look for other headings. What types of work as a part-time job? It is a paid job. It is a teaching job. Should work at a farm. Related with tourist industry. Then the writer noted down some possible problems. Have a look. Now another way is using sticky notes. You put sticky notes by writing different ideas that pop up into your mind. My example shows the writer put sticky notes on the desk for planning a party, to buy drinks, to invite friends, to prepare food. These are scattered ideas. Then writer will rearrange the sticky notes into the order he or she wants to. Using mind map is another good way to collect the ideas. In this example, you see the writer organized ideas for writing about environmental protection. In this example, the writer hasn't got the further ideas about at home. As soon as the writer gets more ideas, it extends with branches. Here's the notes about how mind map works. Mind map explains the viewer to get flexible ideas, to collect flexible ideas. So it is a very flexible way to order your ideas, to collect your ideas. The most important ideas is at the center of the mind map, the related ideas with branches leading outwards. More ideas are spreading with branches from the center.